Hello guys, today topic is how to calculate multiplication of matrix by scientific calculator. So first step is first step is mode select. First step is mode select. So first you mode select, simply press on mode button, mode select. 6 number matrix, 6 number matrix selected, matrix option. So select one matrix A, simply one, press one button. After that, according to your convenience, 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 2 matrix, 3 by 1 matrix you select. So suppose we consider 3 by 3 matrix, 1 2 3 3 4 5 7 8 4 2 3 4 1 1 2 and 3 4 5 B matrix. So multiplication of two matrix by using the calci. So after select 1 3 by 3 matrix, select 1, then put the values of a matrix. Suppose we consider this numerical, this two matrix A and B. So put the values of matrix A 1 equal to, for next value put up 2 3 again 3 4 5 then 7 8 4. After putting all entities of A, press AC button, we get 0. After type first matrix value, then press AC button, we get 0 on the screen. We get 0 on the screen, right? Then after that, to put the value of matrix B, then after that putting the value of A, again go to mode option, select 6 matrix. First we select matrix A, now we select 2 matrix B for putting the value of matrix B. Then select 3 by 3 matrix, then 3 by 3 matrix 1, then value of matrix B 2 3 4 2 equal to 3 equal to 4 1 equal to 1 equal to 2 equal to 3 then 4 then 5. After putting the value of B, simply press on AC button. Then press shift 4. After putting the value of A and B matrix, then press shift 4. We get the option matrix A, matrix B, matrix C. So value of A matrix store in matrix A, that is press 3rd. After multiplying sign, again press shift 4, then value of B store in matrix B, then press 4, matrix A into matrix B equal to, we get 13 17 23 25 33 45, 34, 45, 64. This is the correct answer by using the matrix A and B. So for practice, this answer is correct or not, you can check by using the verification method. So now answer is correct or not by check using the verification method. So verification method is, now value of A and B matrix is 1 2 3 3 4 5 7 8 4 2 3 4 1 1 2 3 4 5. So now you can check this answer correct or not. So you verify this answer. So 1 2 3, this is the first row of this A matrix, multiply by first column of B matrix, multiply by first row of A matrix 1 2 3 is multiplied by 2 1 3, and then multiplication of these two, add in this. So 1 is multiplied by 2 right here, then 2 is multiplied by 1, 2 into 1 2 plus 2 plus 3 is multiplied by 3, 9 right here, 2 plus 2 plus 9, we get 13, right? So we get 13, we can check, we get 13, we can check. After that, as it is, after that same third row 3 4 5 is multiplied by, after that 1 2 3 is multiplied by 3 1 4, first row second column, then 1 into 3 3, 2 into 1 2, 3 into 4 12 right here. Same as it is, first row multiply by third column. Now 4 into 1 4, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 15 15. Same as it is, second row is multiplied by first column, second row is multiplied by second column, second row is multiplied by third column right here, and then as it is, third row is multiplied first column right here, second row is multiplied by second column right here, and third row is multiplied by third column right here. So we get answer 13, 17, 23, 25, 33, 45, 34, 45, 64. You can check. 13, 17, then 23, after that 25, 33, 45, then 34, after that 45, and then 64. Okay, as it is, you can multiply using the calci. So guys,